Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting chili oil. We'll cover selecting the right ingredients, mastering the infusion process, and ensuring proper storage. By following these simple steps, you can create a flavorful condiment that stays fresh for an extended period. Get ready to elevate your dishes with homemade chili oil that truly lasts. It's a rewarding process that yields delicious results every time. Let's start with the essentials. You'll need about 1 cup of dried red chilies. Varieties like Sichuan or Facing Heaven work wonderfully for their aroma and heat. For the oil, grab 2 cups of a neutral option such as grapeseed or canola. Don't forget your aromatics: 5 cloves of garlic, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and 2-star anise. Coarsely grind your chilies, keeping some whole for a delightful texture. Before we can install WordPress, we need a database. Open your web browser and go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. This is the interface for managing your MySQL databases. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option to create a new database. Click on it. Enter a name for your database, something straightforward like WordPress DB or MyProject DB, and then click Create. You don't need to worry about users or passwords for a local setup right now. To ensure your delicious chili oil lasts, proper storage is key. Once completely cool, transfer it into a clean, airtight glass jar. Find a cool, dark spot in your pantry or cupboard, away from any direct sunlight. It's important that all the chili solids remain submerged in the oil. This prevents spoilage and keeps it fresh. With these simple steps, your homemade chili oil will stay vibrant and flavorful for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.